Today, I'll show you how to create a text fill animation in DaVinci Resolve. Take note that this feature is only available in the studio version. Since I'm using the free version, I won't be able to demonstrate it fully. So let's get started. First, the step one that you need to do is to go to the effects, then click the titles and drag the text onto your timeline. Then open the inspector and modify the text to your liking. Then click on the shading and uncheck enabled. Then click on number 2 enabled the red outline and expand blending and select transparent. This will create the outline effect. Then scroll down and select your outline color. Then duplicate your text level. Hold Alt and drag it above. Then go to shading and click on number 1 and re-enable the white solid fill. Then click on settings and expand the cropping and click the keyframe button next to the right crop. Then increase the right crop until the text disappear. Move the timeline ahead a few seconds, then decrease the right crop until the text appears. And done, you'll now have a smooth text fill animation. Take note that since I'm using a free version of DaVinci Resolve, I can't fully demonstrate the effects. However, if you have a DaVinci Resolve Studio, you should be able to follow these steps. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.